Hey guys, in this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to add a file upload field to your Wix Forms, so visitors can easily send documents, photos, or any files directly through your site. Open your Wix editor and click on the form you want to edit. Select Add New Field, then scroll down and choose Upload button from the list. Drag it into your form where you want it to appear. Click the settings icon and under upload settings, set the file types you want to allow, like images, PDFs, or documents. You can also limit file size and decide if the upload field is required. Adjust the design and button text to match your website style, and test it in preview mode to make sure the upload works smoothly. And that's it. You've added the file upload field to your Wix form in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials every week.